1 point, number 35. 55 seconds, 5 seconds shot clock. 3 seconds shot clock. Combination shirt for team of Firebird and a jumper. 10 seconds shot clock sa pitula number 1. Go for the fake. Bang! Good for 1 point. What a move. But winning jersey number 8. Oops. And winning jersey number 8. Warning for. Good for 1 point. 8 minutes and 8 seconds. Perer number 6. Inside number 1. And couple of break in the chopper. Boom! Good for 1 point. But attacking from the right corner. Supply pa rin yung tiradang pilit nitong bata sa mga player ng team of Firebird. Yes sir! Good for 1 point sa pitula. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. At number 8, not good, put back, boom! Good for 1 point. 5 seconds shot up. And there's a foul call for holding, foul for team. Call for holding. Matawagan po kayo ng double foul. But number 17, Huli Cabalbon! This amazing mayor of Brooks Point, Honorable Mayor, time para sa ating 10 minutes of basketball action. Outside jumper, boom, boom, basket! Good for 2 balls! 4 na minuto, 27 segundo. In at the basketball action. At a number 17, a jumper, too strong. But for team of Tommy Calderon, outside jumper, kaboom! 8 seconds shot up. What a reverse shot, boom! Good for 1 point. And Vargas easily, boom, good for 1. Team foul, warning for penalty. Minutes and 18 seconds. 10 seconds shot up. And put back, yes sir! Good for plus, not good. At sa pitula, labas kay Calderon, number 6. 8 seconds shot up, outside jumper, bang! Good for 2 points. 1 point, number 35 for team of Firebird. Outside jump ng Firebird. Foul against with jersey number 8. And penalty situation. 55 seconds, 5 seconds shot clock. 3 seconds shot clock. 45 seconds, outside jumper, yes sir! Last 35 seconds. 3 seconds shot up, outside jumper. Boom, boom, basket. 25 seconds. And outside jumper in and out. Taken away for team of Tommy, 20 seconds. But outside jumper sa pitula, in and out pa rin. 14 seconds, wala na po tayong shot up. Osama, not good. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3 seconds. And that's the end for the 10 minutes of basketball action. Congratulations, the winner, team of Tommy!